Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and account. First, make sure battery is above 50% and you've connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Next, verify an iCloud backup exists or that you're signed into the correct Apple ID because restoration pulls from iCloud. Once done, disable Find My iPhone if possible or have Apple ID credentials available. This prevents activation locks. Now, go to Settings to begin the built-in Restore or Reset flow so the device can fetch the OS and data. You now execute the core restore steps on the device. In Settings, open General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. You're erasing so the device can reinstall iOS cleanly. After the erase completes, choose Restore from iCloud Backup at Setup and sign into your Apple ID. While the device downloads and reinstalls the system and apps, keep it plugged in and on Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. If the latest backup is large, expect a longer download time. Be patient until it finishes. You're at the finish line. Complete the setup prompts and re-enter passwords for your Apple ID and email accounts so apps can relaunch. Once apps and data download, confirm contacts, photos, and key settings restored correctly. If the process stalls or shows errors, force restart the iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and try restoring again. Temporary network or server issues are common. If activation locks or repeated failures persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details and serial to resolve account or activation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.